Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an email to your Facebook account. So doing this is very simple, but then Facebook have this update of settings here and there, so it's kind of complicated to do this now. But then I'm going to show you guys two ways in which you can do this very fast and simple. So the first method is you move to settings here, you move to account manager, and then you do that. And the second one, which is the shortcut, is you move to your profile. You can see my profile here. I move to about, and then contact, and then basic info. And then on the contact and basic info, I choose my contact info here. So they take me here. So now I add a new contact and I choose an email. I select the account I want to associate with, and now I enter the email here. So I'm entering my tutorial email. We always use this email in our videos. Good. So that's it. Now you click on next here. Now let's click on next here. So good. They will send you a confirmation code here. So you're going to receive it on this mail, and then after entering the confirmation code, you just go on and then tap next, and then you add your preferred email to your Facebook account. That's how it goes. So with the other method, you can see you move to settings here, you move to account manager. It's the same procedure, but then it's like this is a longer version of what I just did earlier. And now I move to personal details here, and you can see the email is added here. It's not confirmed yet, so I just tap on contact info. You can see pending confirmation here. I just add a new one and I add another email. You can add a lot of emails, and you just have to confirm one so that you can use it to recover your account, get notifications, and many other stuff on Facebook. So that's it on how you can add an email to your Facebook account now. So if you are new here, you do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here, thank you for visiting us once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.